Hello, guys. Oh my god, it's just I just woke up. It's not good. Either way, we're gonna watch The Secret History of the Moon, due to high demand. um, I know I was requested also like the time lapse of the future basically. I've already watched that video because I saw the thumbnail. I watched it like a year ago or something. So I'm not gonna react to that because that would just be fake of me, and I don't want fake, fake news coming from me, So yeah, we're just gonna watch this video. I know this video is from MelodySheep again. From the video that I saw and the video before, they're really good videos. It's in 4K as well. So yeah, we're just gonna get right into it. I'm looking really forward to this because I know it's gonna be a good video. So yeah, let's just go. Space Fox. Okay, it's clothing. Only solemn lights, blonde moon, we stand and marvel, sleeping our moon's way. Oh, that's a good quote. Look at that shot.
As primeval man watched the moon in the night sky, it became to him an object of curiosity.
Okay, yeah.
In legend, he tells the story of an old man who, while digging, discovered a small, shiny object.
Whoa.
As he held it in his hands, it grew and grew, and finally escaped into the sky to become a moon.
Are they talking about God?
This is the moon.
I'm just like trying to deep this, you know?
Millions of years ago.
The moon is such a cool place. The moon has a secret. Tell us. Okay. Look at this editing, holy shit. Written in its rocks is the story of a spectacular past. Well, yeah, obviously, because the meteorites and asteroids flying into it. Where did it come from? What role has it played in the story of life? For generations, we have looked up and wondered. Look at all these editing skills. Holy shit! Only now is the truth being revealed. Forget what you know. Okay. It's time to see the moon in a new light. Huh? The Secret History of the Moon. Wow. What an intro sequence. Pages from ancient history. Okay, hold on, pause. So obviously I know, like the thing is, as I said before, I'm a pretty huge space geek. So I know like that obviously how the moon was formed and stuff like that. But and also I know that it has effect on like tidal waves, like the oceans the moon has. That's what I know of it. But yeah, like I don't see how this could. I'm excited to see this. Like 50 years ago, rock samples from Apollo gave us first glimpse of the moon's epic history.
Stones from across the night. By making ourselves very small,
to see this quality.
we'll see what these rocks have seen.
Wow.
And back those billions of years.
Over decades now, geochemists have been measuring lunar samples and Earth samples and found that the chemical signatures of the two are identical in a very special way, and that the elemental isotopes of the two bodies are identical.
Okay. That volatile elements have been somehow vaporized away. Oh. These clues seem to suggest that Earth and the Moon share a common origin, a valid one. Obviously, yeah. What story best fits the evidence? Yep. This is the one I've heard. Look at this animation. Holy shit. Yeah. Crowded place, of course. As many as 20 rocks protoplanets circle the sun, each competing for dominance. Again, yeah, very true. As As these protoplanets collided and fused, larger planets took shape among them, the moonless Earth. Yeah. It's so crazy that this has all been like information, you know? 80 million years after it was formed, Earth had one final tremendous blow in waiting. Enter Theia, a smaller rival planet on a fateful collision course. Oh. Theia. Didn't know that. To any observer on the Earth, the sight would have been terrifying. Yeah, obviously. Look at this shit. Like... Jesus. Wow. Wow. Upon impact, Theia is completely obliterated, ripping off Earth's outer layers and leaving it a molten ball. Well, yeah, you can expect that. Now, here's my thought, right? So you know how you can ask people, like, wouldn't it be so incredibly cool if you were able to time travel, right? If you could set a one-time date and like go back directly when you wanted on command. Imagine how epic it would be to just stand on Earth, where you can obviously stand, and like just to see Theia coming towards you, and then you just teleport away directly after that. That would be so incredibly cool. Like in a sense, obviously every single human would die if this happened now, but I don't know. It just like, sure, we get all these space things happening around us, but like in my eyes, it's just like I want something, you know, spectacular, you know? Like I want to see like a supernova from far away, you know? Like stuff like that. I want to see like, you know, something that is visible to the naked eye. Earth becomes engulfed in a thick atmosphere of vaporized rock. Well, yeah, and this is gonna have a rings of it there, yeah? Wow. Of the span of, well, 100 years, smoking discs or debris, we can condense it into a young molten moon. Yeah. Okay. Sorry for pausing it so many times, by the way.
Explains so many things about the moon.
Yeah.
But it has a huge flaw. It predicts that the moon is mostly made from the Mars-sized planet, that the Earth and the moon are made from different materials. But that's not what we see. The Earth and the moon are actually like identical twins. The genetic code of planets is written in the isotopes of the elements.
Okay.
The Earth and moon have identical isotopes. That means that the Earth and moon are made from the same materials.
Yeah, but... Oh. Could the long-reigning theory be wrong? To reconcile the evidence, scientists have proposed some mind-blowing ideas. Geo-reactor hypothesis. Sorry. So what... Early in Earth's history, radioactive elements like uranium would have been much more abundant in its interior. Okay. These elements could have become concentrated under Earth's surface due to centrifugal force. Oh. The result, a massive underground nuclear explosion. Really? Whoa. I mean... Okay. Under this theory, material ejected from this explosion slowly coalesced into the moon we know today. Okay, so this would easily explain the similarities between Earth and Moon. Right, so just quick. So then, if there was an explosion coming from the inside of the Earth, right? Obviously, the Earth is a huge place, but like, wouldn't it be able, like, wouldn't we be able to see traces, I guess you could say, of it? I mean, sure, it's, the thing is, it's information, so it's been changed a lot, so... complications. Some doubt that the uranium could have been concentrated enough to produce such a powerful... Yeah, like, it would require a lot of power, but then again, it is under, like, construction Earth, so... Okay.
What do you do when faced with the unknown? Question everything.
Okay. After re-examining the giant impact of a fascinating new theory is beginning to emerge. Okay. I love these theories, by the way. Synestia hypothesis.
Of thinking that a planet was always going to look like a planet.
Okay.
The giant impact was making something completely new.
In this new theory, Earth has hit so hard that it has a completely polarized into a torus of liquid rock. A synestia. Why did my series turn on? Wait, whoa.
Energy from the impact vaporizes the surface, the water, the atmosphere, and mixes all of the gases together in just a few hours.
I'm just...
The Earth would have been like Jupiter. There's nothing to stand on.
Oh.
A synestia gives us a new way to solve the problem of the origin of the moon. The moon grew from magma rain that condensed out of the rock vapor.
Wait,
The
so...
moon could have orbited inside the synestia for years, hidden
Oh.
from view, revealed by the synestia cooling and shrinking inside of its orbit.
Huh. I mean...
The synestia turns into Earth only after cooling for hundreds of years longer.
I mean, yeah, you know, like...
The connection to Earth is because the moon formed inside the Earth when Earth was a synestia.
Oh, actually, you know what? It makes more sense when you think about it.
Synestias have been created throughout the universe. We only just realize that by finding them in our imagination.
The synestia theory is still unproven. Okay, alright, well, so...
What
that would explain,
else
like, obviously...
am I missing?
Obviously, we know it's because of the gravitational pull, that... Obviously, that the waves and the oceans and stuff like that. But it would be, like, you know, in a more, like, you know, science fiction type of way. Like, oh, it has a connection to Earth because of its being literally from Earth. You know, since the synestia,
What
but...
is hidden from my view by my own assumptions?
Yeah, but... On its way to becoming the barren rock we know today, it may only once held liquid. Well, yeah, it could have. And even life. But then, that wouldn't make sense though, would it? Because if it was built in the synestia, or synestia, it wouldn't have had a chance. Twice in its history, lunar volcanism has brought huge amounts of water vapor from the moon's interior to the surface. Oh. Wow, look at these visuals. These massive outgassings could have led to surface water and lunar atmosphere 4 to 3.5 billion years ago. Imagine swimming in a pool of moon water, looking up at early Earth as life evolved. Wow. Alright, okay, alright, I see that, I see that. Wow. Well, yeah, sure, life could have. In theory, microorganisms from Earth could have arrived via asteroid impact and settled in these waters. True. That is true. Like, obviously we don't know, but... Yeah, not the last, obviously not. Over time, any surface water would have dried up and almost all of its atmosphere lost to space. Yeah. The moon would leave its mark on life in a different, more profound way. It may even be the reason we exist at all. I mean, yeah. See, like, it's still, like, protecting us, you know? Life on Earth would be very different, or even non-existent, without our moon. To know its history is to know our own. Our roots are connected. Ah. Alright, okay, okay. Obviously, mysteries still remain. Yeah. Yeah. Wow, you did it again, MelodySheep. You did it again. Oh, man. Wow. This was really cool. Really cool. Really cool theory as well. Wow. Well, yeah, like, that's the thing. Like, it's so... not weird, but it's, like, interesting. Very interesting to think about, like, how different possibilities there are. Obviously, we all know about the collision thesis, you know, like... because, like... but then when you say that it's... that's the one problem it had. It's that it's made from the same elements as Earth. Like, it's from Earth. I'm buying more the theory of... not the radioactive explosion, I don't think. I genuinely think more about the other one, the spherical one. But it's interesting, guys. It's really interesting. Wow. I'm actually going to show this video to my dad later, because he loves this type of stuff as well. Wow, okay. Alright. Okay, alright. Guys, come up with more of these suggestions. Obviously, I've already seen time-lapse of the future thing. But come up with more of these suggestions, guys. Honestly, I love them. I love them so much. And hopefully you love these reactions as well. Alright, guys. With that being said, if you did like this reaction, just, drop, there's a thumb there. You see that one below your screen right now? Scroll down and just click that one if you liked it. Even if you didn't like it, you don't have to press it. You can just tell me in the comments that you didn't like it. Anyways, you don't have to subscribe if you do not want to. That's completely up to you. I'm not going to force you. And other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.